Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. So today I had a little change of plans. The plan was go into Hot Springs, a little town near where I camped at the TA Travel Center, parked in a dirt lot. Poor Ninja couldn't go out. So I went to the propane store. That was the one in town. And they were closed for Easter Monday. So then I set out to a free dump site, even though my tanks are very, very minimally full. And the plan was to start with a clean slate. Well, wonderful Google takes me across town. And then when I get there, I'm like, this doesn't look anywhere like I'm supposed to be. So I restarted the directions, and it showed me all the way back across town where I started. So I just kind of determined, you know what? I've got plenty of water in the RV. I've got 12 gallons in the car in case I need it. I've got only a third of propane in the RV, but I've got 2 5-gallon tanks, which I'm running off of one of them now. So really I have plenty of propane. I only need propane in the RV when I'm basically traveling, which won't be for a few days. And of course I've got solar, so tons of power. My Balder 330 portable battery, I charged it on the way here, so it's at 100%. And I decided, hey, let's just head up to Mount Rushmore. So I put a lot of faith in the iOverlander app that it was going to find me this road called Beretta Road, aptly named because of all the target practice that goes on here. Usually it stops when it gets dark. So I came, and this road's got all kinds of pull-offs, and I'm in a perfectly level spot, which has got a nice forest view outside my bedroom window, and the front door opens up to the little pull-out area and then into grassland. And of course Ninja could come around and go explore the trees, which she's been doing. She's been out for a couple hours during the day. She'll probably be ready to go out another half hour. And I unloaded the car. Battery was dead, but thank goodness I carry a little portable battery jump starter, which I'll have to show you one day. It's in the car right now. And I gave one to my friend Rojo, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, the last thing you want is to try to find another vehicle to jumpstart, or in this case with my car, I wouldn't have been able to unload it. And I would have had to figure out how to unhook it and get the RV over there, and you really can't unhook tow dolly trailer with the car on it. So needless to say, putting that little thing on there and jumping the battery, letting the battery run for a half hour, taking it off the ramp, of course, gets me all ready for tomorrow. Now, I was going to drive into town tonight, which I think is Rapid City. There's Rapid City one way and Keystone, I think, the other. Anyway, it's about 19 miles to the Pilot, which has a shower. And I really need a shower. I needed a shower about 2 days ago, but kind of pushed it. And needless to say, Ninja doesn't seem to mind. Baby wipes do kind of hold back anything bad, but really I want some heavy-duty scrubbing with a wash rag and some soap and whatnot. Of course, I need to shave first, which is going to be on the agenda for tonight or tomorrow morning. And then what I've decided is to head to Pilot in the morning, shower, since I'll be in my car, and then from there go straight to the memorial and try to get there. I'm thinking 3 or 4. That gives me a couple hours of daylight, and then hopefully I can stay after sunset and see everything lit up and get everything on video and have at least a 1 to 2 part episode on everything that I'm about to see, which is going to be pretty exciting since it's my first time there. So enjoy the scenery that I took a little bit earlier on the trip up here and the camp area. High of 69 degrees today, 65 right now. Snow still on the ground, but it's a shorts and t-shirt day. This area is known for a lot of shooting and target practice. And a little bit of that has been going on today. Got my car unloaded, ready to go shower at the Pilot later on tonight. Just beautiful. 7.4 miles to the Mount Rushmore site. Tonight's dinner is from Walmart. A chopped salad kit that's Southwestern. Little tortilla chips in there and a Southwestern dressing. If you notice, I only put about half the lettuce in there because it's just too much lettuce. And then I save the other half with dressing and stuff that I'll add for another meal. Before it got too dark, I thought I'd show you my view out my bedroom window. There's the main forest road, and I'm in a little pull-off. And people are still doing target practice, which is cool. All about the Second Amendment. Sure wish they'd clean up after themselves a little bit better. There's a bit of garbage around here. 7.4 miles to Mount Rushmore's memorial. Can't wait.